Hello students, today we are going to do this exercise 3.2. First problem, first bit. The problem says 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, now we are going to take number of boys and girls as x and y. So we have conditions to be taken which will help us to build the equation. Okay, now first let number of boys is equal to x and girls is equal to y. Okay, now total students is equal to, he has given 10, so number of boys plus girls is equal to 10. So number of boys is x and number of girls is y. So we will take x plus y equal to 10. So this will be equation 1. Now to draw a graph for this equation, we have to leave y alone on the left hand side. So we are going to do that now. So this will be y equal to 10 minus x. Okay, now for this value we are going to assume x values and get y values, and for those values we are going to do the graph. Okay, now the next condition says number of girls are 4 more than boys. Means this is condition 2. Condition 2 says number of girls is equal to 4 more than boys. Means there are 4 girls more than boys. So what number of boys plus 4 will give you number of girls. So number of girls is y and this boys will be equal to 4 plus x, or we can write it as x plus 4. Now we got equation for this. Now this can be written as an equation 2 and we will be writing the values of x and y. Now coming to the graph part, we will take a table and assume x values. So this will be x values and this will be y is equal to 10 minus x. So I am going to take 3 values. Okay, so this will be, I will take 2, 4 and 6. So this will be x, I am assuming any values. Okay, you can take any values for x. Okay, it's not mandatory that you need to take only 2, 4 or 6. I am taking 2, 4, 6. You can take any values. So 10 minus x, y equal to 10 minus x. Now 10 minus x value is 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, now the coordinates for this equation are 2, 8, 4, 6, 6 and 4. Now coming to this second condition, that is second part, again we will draw a tabular column to assume x value and get y values. Here also I am going to take 3 values for x. So x, this is y is x plus 4. So x I am taking again same values, I am going to take 2, 4, 6. Okay, now y is equal to x plus 4. X value is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. X value is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. X value is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Now here we have coordinates as 2, 8, 4, 6 and 6, 4, and here the coordinates are 2, 6, 4, 8 and 6, 10. So for this we are going to do the graph. Okay, I am going to do a rough graph. Okay, but you are going to do it in the graph paper. Okay, now since we don't have the negative values, we will not take negative signs. Okay, negative value for the graphs, we will only do the positive values. Okay, so we have y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay, so this is 0. I am going to take 1 centimeter is equal to x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to scale scale, x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, and y-axis also I'm going to take 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So this will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and this is 10. So again this will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is y-axis. So this is x-axis. So now we are going to plot the values. So first value is 2, 8. 2, x-axis, y is 8. 4, 6. 4 and this is 6. 6, 4. 6 and 4. Okay. Now for the second equation, so first we will draw the line for this. Okay, now this is for first equation, and for second equation we are going to plot the values for 2, 6, 2 and 6. This is 2, 6. Okay, we will use another color. Okay, now 4, 8, 4, 8 and 6, 10. 6 and 10. Okay, now we'll draw a line, okay, which is going to intersect at a particular point. Now the line is intersecting at this point. Okay, now the values are, so this, now this will be 3. Okay, on x-axis it is in between 2 and 4, so it is 3, and here it is 7. So x-axis value is 6. So the coordinate we got is 3 and 7. Coordinate we got is 3 and 7. So number of girls, number of boys is x, right? So number of boys is equal to x, number of girls is equal to 7. So we are going to verify if the values we got are correct or not. Now the value here we got is y equal to 10 minus x. So if we want to verify, y value is 7, okay, and 10 minus 3, which will imply 7 equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x and y are the solutions of the given equation. And also here for the equation y equal to x plus 4, y equal to x plus 4 is the equation. So y value is 7, x value is 3 plus 4, which implies 7 equal to 7. Here also LHS is equal to RHS. So this is also the solution. So the problem what we solved and the coordinates what we got are correct. Okay, so this is a very simple problem. Fortunately we got the graph also correct with the graph paper, but you have to do in the graph paper only. Okay, and very important, when you are doing the graph you have to write the scale for x-axis and y-axis. Hope you understood the problem. Okay, thank you so much.